What is keywords meta tag? Keywords meta tag is tag that we use to set keywords that are website related. Keywords meta tag is very important for searching engines like Google or Yahoo, because if users search for content that is same or similar to content that you have like your keywords, there is higher possibility that your website will be suggested like a search result for that users. Okay, let's create one more meta tag. Let's create name and content HTML attributes. Okay, like name for this one, let's set keywords. And let's set some keywords for our website, something like HTML, tutorials, learn web development. You basically can set any keywords that you want here. So let's save our changes. If we refresh our web page, we can see that keywords are not directly visible in our web page, but keywords are important because when users search in Google or Yahoo for the content that is same or similar that are keywords that you have, there is higher possibility that your website will be suggested. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.